Good morning, students. In this video, we'll start up with our second term portion. So, we'll begin with chapter number 5, that is minerals and ores. What do you mean by mineral? Minerals are any naturally occurring material, any material which occurs naturally. It can be organic or inorganic, but it has to be mined to get those commodities. Is it clear? So, in geology, we call minerals as a naturally occurring substances, and they are basically inorganics and they are solid. Okay, mercury is the only exception which is liquid at the room temperature. Otherwise, all the minerals are generally solid at the room temperature. Even you can say minerals are in the form of crystals of diamonds and salt and etc. Now, ores. We do not get pure minerals extracted. We get their ores. And from those ores, we have to extract minerals. So, how we will extract minerals? By the process of smelting. In smelting, the ores are heated and melted. And after that, we can easily extract minerals. And after extracting minerals, the ores dressing has to be done. Means all the kind of sand and clay has to be separated. Is it clear? So, next is like on the basis of you can say geological criteria, before almost all the minerals can be divided into two categories except fossil fuels. Okay, so what are the two different categories? That is metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are you can say generally they contain metals, whereas non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. Metallic minerals are generally found from igneous rocks, whereas non-metallic minerals occur in sedimentary rocks. Metallic minerals are hard and even shiny, whereas non-metallic minerals are neither hard nor shiny. Examples of metallic minerals are iron, copper, bauxite and tin, whereas examples of non-metallic minerals are salt, coal, mica, clay and limestone. So, let's deal with metallic minerals one by one. The first metallic mineral is iron ore. And iron ore is the most important mineral, and it is basically mined from South Asia. There are 4 different varieties of iron ore, that is magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. You know the symbol of iron? It is Fe, and they are generally metal, and they are found in the outer as well as the inner core. In general, if we want to extract pure iron, it is very soft, but after the process of smelting, it is hard and we can use it. So, what are the usage of iron ore? The best usage of iron ore is to make steel. Is it clear? So, we make steel by using other metals with iron. Then only it becomes stronger than pure iron. And you know that we use steel utensils at our home. Iron and steel are the backbone of all industries. Tata Iron and Steel Limited, right? So, distribution where we can find in India, iron ores reserves are found in Karnataka, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Assam. Next is uranium. Uranium is the heaviest naturally occurring minerals. Is it clear? Now, earlier it was not used for commercial purposes, okay, for like buying and purchasing or selling purposes, but now it is used for those purposes also. It is the deadliest metal on the earth. Pitch blende or uranitide is the radioactive uranium rich ore. You know radioactive uranium, which we have, that we can generate radioactive rays and all from that. Other includes carnotite, tunamite, torberite and autunite. Properties of uranium: it is the heaviest natural occurring minerals. It is silver in color and it's shiny. It is both ductile and malleable. Ductile and malleable is, it can be both beaten into sheets as well as drawn into wires. Is it clear? Now, usage of uranium. Uranium 235 is the most important uranium isotope for making nuclear weapons and reactors. You know, 1 kg uranium can produce almost 1500 tons of, like they can produce energy equivalent to 1500 tons of coal. And it is also a toxic metal, and if it is overexposed, it can even affect the normal functioning of the human organs. Distribution: over 33% of the uranium is mined in Kazakhstan, Canada and Australia, and the other mining countries are Namibia, Niger, Russia. In India, we find it in 2 places: Tumalapalli uranium mine reserve in Andhra Pradesh and Jadugoda mines in Jharkhand. Next is bauxite. It is named after a village, Les Baux, by French geologist Pierre Berthet, who found the ore near the village. Now, what are the properties? It is a primary ore of aluminium. We get aluminium out of it. It requires chemical process and smelting to produce pure aluminium. Now, what are the usage? It is used for making aeroplanes, spacecrafts, aluminium cans, electrical equipments, etc. It is recyclable, means it can be recycled, and they are highly durable metal. It is used for a longer period of time, and nearly 75% of aluminium ever produced is still in use. Now, distribution: they are found in Africa, Australia, South America. In India, we find it in Sundargarh, Odisha, Katni, Madhya Pradesh, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh and Lardaga in Jharkhand. Manganese. Manganese is the essential to human and animal life for their metabolic function. Pyrolusite is one of the main manganese minerals. Now, what are the properties of manganese? It is brittle, hard and pinkish grey metal. It is chemically active with water, air and most acids. Usage: it is mixed with iron to make steel. It is also used to make an alloy with aluminium and copper, and it is used in black paints. Now, where do we find manganese? Most manganese are obtained from ores in Australia, Brazil, Gabon, Africa, India, Russia and South Africa. So, that's all for today. In our next video, we'll continue further. Thank you. Bye-bye.